I installed this hair from Mayde Beauty. Just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so in today's video we are installing Mayde Beauty's Bohemian box braids. I got these in 18 inches in the color number 2. And I bought 5 packs, and of course you can see that it's the 3X. This is just me showing you the hair. I wasn't really impressed when I looked at the loop, but the loop was not an issue. So I literally just take the latch hook, place it under my braid, put the hair on the latch hook, pull it through, and then I put the end of the hair on the latch hook, close it, and then I pull it through the loop. It's literally just that easy, y'all. It is super simple. If you can't braid, you can do the rubber band method. Just make sure that you don't do them super duper tight, but this style is super duper quick. It's super duper easy. I only used 4 of the 5 packs that I bought, but some of the curls did get snagged. Like as you can see here, I'm having trouble pulling it all the way through. Just make sure that you are using a mirror when you do that. But I like this style. I enjoy wearing it. I'm still wearing it right now. Sometimes I get behind in editing my videos, but if y'all interested in a review, just let me know and I can review this hair for you. Like the curls, like how long they lasted, if I had to put any products on them, like if it tangled or anything like that. So just let me know, you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and I will see y'all at the end for my thoughts on the installation.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. In today's video, I literally just installed this hair from Mayde Beauty. It's been a minute since I tried some hair from them, but I picked this up from my local beauty supply, which is Maxi Beauty, and I bought 5 packs. I only needed to use 4. The hair is 18 inches. I got this in the color number 2, and there are 25 strands that come in a pack. So this is what the hair looks like up close, and then this is what the 18 inches look like. Let me show y'all the back. So that's what it is. This is my length. 18 inches is my perfect length. So this is what I have left out of the 4th pack. I'm gonna add a little bit more up in there to cover up those spaces. When you get this type of hair, you wanna always make sure you get maybe a little bit too much hair so you don't have to run back and you can fill in those empty spaces. Because for me, I nitpick. If I don't fill in those empty spaces, I'm always picking at them. So I always get extra hair. So this is how the hair comes packaged. Mayde Beauty, and it tells you all the details about the hair. The packaging is super cute. I love pink and black. Pink and black is like my favorite colors, and that's what it looks like on a model. What's this color? T30. I really wanted to try that. So this is what the hair looks like up close, and then this is what the strand, this is what this looks like. This hair was so easy to install. I didn't have any issues at all, and I love easy installs. I love installs that didn't take no time, y'all. This literally took me like 30 minutes. I have to run somewhere real quick, so I had literally just took down a style, so this worked out perfectly. This will be a very good hairstyle for the summer. So if you are looking forward to just keeping your hair put away for the summertime, this is the perfect style for you. This is the fullness of it. This is what it looks like. So I'm a little skeptical about the curls. Now, I can tell a little bit like if the curls are gonna work or if they're not. And I don't know, I feel like these might be a little bit of maintenance. Now, I tried Rebel Boho Twist by Free Tress, and I tried Rebel Boho Braid by Free Tress. Love that. I almost bought that today. But those were very low maintenance installs. The hair that was left out was very minimal. It had a little bit of tangling, but it wasn't like ridiculous by the time I was ready to take it out. Since there's more curls here, it's gonna be a little bit of work. But as always, we got my boo Lotta Body, which is one of my favorite mousses, and we can make it work. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I like this hair. I will be rocking this for the next couple of weeks. I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back for a review. If y'all are interested in that, let me know in the comment section, and I'll come back and do a review for you and let you know how this curly part held up. That's it for this video, you guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this style. Do you feeling it? Are you feeling it? Have you tried hair from Mayde Beauty? I've tried some hair from Mayde Beauty before. I tried some of their hair. I made a wig with it. And I also tried their crochet hair as well. So looking forward to trying some more braids from them. I really kind of for real don't want to show y'all the back, because the braiding pattern that I did for some locks and not for braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the back, and it's looking kind of janky. I can feel it. I haven't seen it, but y'all can let me know what it looks like. So yeah, that's what it looks like. But I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.